Everyone, I am Ganga Sukla. Explain to you topic genetics. Term genetics was first time used Watson. First time used Watson in 1905. Father of genetics. Father of genetics. Gregor John Mendel. Gregor John Mendel. Student, genetics is a branch of science that deals with heredity and variation. Genetics is a branch of biology that deals heredity and variations. Word means heredity means transmission of transmission of genetics, transmission of genetically, transmission of genetically, based characters, based characters from parent to offspring, from parents to offspring, and word variations, differences between young ones, that is differences between young ones of same parents, same parents, due to offspring, that is like begets like, like begets like. The young ones of same parents, young ones of same parent, young ones of same parents are never exactly similar. Differences found in young ones of same parents known as variations. Word heredity, transmission of genetically based character from parent to offspring. Physical carriers of heredity, carriers of physical characters of heredity, carried by way of gamete, Okay. Gamete, that is sperm in a male gamete, ovum in a female gamete. It means characters are transmitted from parent to the progeny, parent to the progeny, carried by gamete, carried by gamete. To understand the mechanism of transmission, of characters from generation to generation, one must understand the terminology used in heredity as given. In this topic, terminology used in that is factors. Number one terminology, factors. It is gene. Gene is a segment of DNA. Gene is a segment of DNA. Gene is a basic unit of inheritance. Basic unit of inheritance. Gene is a basic unit of inheritance located on chromosomes. Located in chromosomes. Number one. Number two, alleles. Next terminology, alleles. Alternative forms of gene. It is a alternative forms of gene occupying same position on homologous chromosomes. Next, number third, phenotypes. Phenotype, the physical or external appearance of an organism. The physical or external appearance of an organism are known as phenotype. Next, genotype. The genetic constitution of an organism. The genetic constitution of an organism. The genetic constitution of an organism. Next terminology, homozygous. Next terminology, homozygous. same gamete, that is same gamete, that is capital T, small t, capital R, small r, small r. Next, heterozygous. Different gamete, that is different gamete, that is two factors of gene controlling characters, capital T, capital R, small r. Next, monohybrid cross, a cross in which single pair of contrasting character, a cross in which single pair of contrasting characters, that is capital T tall, small t tall. Next, dihybrid cross, cross in which two contrasting pair cross in which two contrasting pair of characters, that is round yellow and wrinkled green, that is capital R, capital Y, small r, small y, small